If your freezer is icing up, or your fridge looks moldy, or it's not getting cold, it might be time to change your gaskets. Real simple job. Let's get straight into it. Now I've got a well-used fridge right here, and over time I've noticed that my gaskets seem to have torn. So it's not supposed to look like this. There's a rip right across here and it's getting a bit worn out. So I've got to get it changed. Now, the gaskets may not be the same for all your fridges, so it's best to get some advice from your supplier or your manufacturer. What you got to do is to look for the fridge serial number, and it should be located somewhere inside the fridge, maybe in front. Mine is right here behind the soy sauce, right there. So we pass this information on to the manufacturer. I went to the Hitachi fridge. They have a service center down in Alexandra. I went down to them and I managed to get new door gaskets. I'm going to show you guys how to change this. Apparently, it's really easy to do. They cost about $43 a door. I've got 2 doors, so the 2 boxes of gaskets. It looks something like that. I think it's packaged this way to prevent bending. It looks something like this. So I can see that this tab matches off with this tab up here. So what you want to do is just tug, and the seal should come right off. So I'm pulling it up. There you go. Now, if yours is an old fridge, you might notice some mold or some dirt around the gaskets. This is a good opportunity to do a bit of light cleaning. Check that out. That's years of gunk. And fitting your new gasket is as easy as just pressing it into place. So I'm starting from the top, just pressing it in. Yeah. There you go. No screws, no clips, and I've got a new gasket going right there. Now for this side, I have this flap here, which I need to remove. There are 2 screws. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws. Okay, so the screws are out, and I'm just going to easily wiggle this up, being very gentle. There is a wire right there. Just be careful that you don't break that wire right there. And likewise, just pull this off the door and prepare to put your new seals in. And I'm gonna fit this onto the door as well. Well, doing it yourself saves $150. That's what it will cost you for getting a guy down to do it for you. You don't want to pay me, save that money, right? Like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Take care.